Welcome to the deep dive. Ready to really get into something crucial for modern manufacturing. Today, we're tackling metal fabrication, but more than just the what, we want to show you how choosing a full service partner can seriously simplify things. We're talking cutting costs, getting a more complete component right to your door faster. It's kind of a shortcut to understanding this key piece of the puzzle.
Yeah, it's fascinating, isn't it? How much complex work goes into things we just, use every day without a second thought. We're going to explore how all these sophisticated steps, right from the idea stage to the finished product, how they come together. It's all about turning raw metal into these precise parts efficiently and economically, and the strategic edge that gives you.
Okay, let's unpack that a bit. Precision sheet metal fabrication, what are we actually capable of seeing here? Everything from like rapid prototypes up to big production runs 20,000 pieces even. And this part sounds really key for efficiency. Often no tooling investment needed. Plus this 24/7 lights out production sounds like pure optimization.
Right. And that no tooling investment point, it's really significant. It changes the whole cost dynamic. What's normally a big upfront capital cost becomes, well, more like an operational one. So iterating on designs gets way cheaper, faster time to market.
Right.
Super important for new products, right? And even for complex stuff, the sources talk about stage tool stamping too. The clever bit there is using shared die sets, basically reusing common tool parts. That
Right.
cuts down your specific tooling costs again, makes complex parts way more affordable.
Ah, okay. That makes a lot of sense. So it really opens things up for prototyping, for evolving a product, but it's not just that initial cost, is it? What about the sheer range of things a full service place can actually do? I mean, the sources list quite a bit: CNC machining, press brake forming, turret punching, water jet cutting, welding, assembly, even powder coating, and fiber optic laser cutting gets a specific mention too for precision. So it really is like a one-stop shop, the whole journey.
Exactly. That's the core idea. And if you think big picture, having all that in-house integrated, it just means better value and much faster turnaround times. Think about it. You've got the super precise fiber laser, the heavy-duty shaping with press brakes, the detailed welding, the final finish. Keeping all that under one roof avoids delays, avoids those potential quality dips when you move parts between different vendors.
Right. Avoids the handoff problem.
Precisely. So this whole end-to-end process gives you high-quality parts reliably, efficiently. And that serves really demanding sectors, aerospace, robotics, automation, medical stuff. These industries need incredibly high standards. Precision and that integrated quality control, it's just non-negotiable for them.
Okay, so that brings us right to the main point for you listening. If you need a component made, why should you actively look for a full-service partner? What are the bottlenecks this model solves? Things maybe businesses don't even realize are bottlenecks.
Well, first off, you get consistent quality control start to finish. That alone cuts down your risk profile significantly. You've got one point of contact, which, believe me, makes project management way easier. It streamlines that whole buying process, concept to delivery, and crucially, it just speeds everything up. Getting from a rapid prototype to reliable, maybe large-scale manufacturing, it's smoother. With decades of experience, the right equipment, these partners make that transition work for your specific needs, especially for really intricate designs or maybe complex assemblies or projects where the look, the aesthetics are critical. Often those parts need a mix of stamping, fabrication, finishing, getting that right without multiple suppliers involved. That's tough. This approach really simplifies your whole supply chain management.
So there we have it then. The real strategic value behind a full-service metal fabrication partner. It's clearly not just about stamping out a part. It's optimizing that whole journey, idea to market-ready product. Saves time, saves money, manages risk better.
Exactly. That ability to pull together all these different technical skills, making sure you get both the precision and the efficiency from start to finish, it fundamentally changes how you can bring products to market. Which kind of leaves us with a final thought, doesn't it? In a world that demands speed, customization, and increasingly resilient supply chains, how might this kind of consolidated, integrated approach shape the next wave of innovation across, all industries?